Hello everyone, this is Quick Tips. Today in this video I will show you how to use rip feature in Solidworks. We use like this. Go to Metal feature, active rip feature. Now you have a parameter. In rip parameter, click all edge. And after that, in change direction tool, the function for change the rip direction like this. But in this case I use this direction, and this rip gap make 2 mm and click OK. See, now you have a gap in all edge. Now you can bend this part. Use insert bends. After you active insert bends, now you have parameter. In bend parameters, click this face and radius bends make 2 mm. Maybe in this case I make 1 mm and click OK. See? Now you can flatten this part like this. Click flatten. See? See? Now you have a sheet metal part. And now you know function of rip feature. That is Quick Tips. See ya.